Hey goal getters, welcome back to the channel. We've been posting production machines and we've heard your cries. Some of you have expressed your desire to embark on production in Africa, but at the same time, you have let us know of your financial situation. And we noticed that the same attitude kept on repeating itself in the comment section. Our number one priority is to get you satisfied. That's why, unknown to you, all this while that you've been complaining in the comment section of insufficient funds, I've been pondering on what to do about it. I therefore started digging. And finally today, I am glad to present to you this video that I think will be a fit all sizes video. And since the purpose of this video is to specifically serve you, I am also going to be satisfying those people who always come to the comment section and say, Elvin, you talk too much. Please go straight to the point. Just list the machines and go next to the next machine. You talk too much. Yeah, I also listened to you. But don't forget that the reason why I always give those details is because most of our subscribers on this channel who are our real subscribers and who are real goal getters always love to have those explanations. All right, they prefer that. So if you aren't interested, always know that I do that because most of our subscribers always love to get those details. That said, I am going to be satisfying the few of you who always say that I talk too much. So in this video, I am not going to be talking too much. I am going to be giving you straight away the machines and maybe one or two things you need to know and straight to the next point. And like I said, this is an exception. And please, let's have a deal. Promise me that after watching this video that I went out of my way not to talk too much in order to please you. Also make sure from today you aren't going to be coming to the comment section to tell me that I talk too much. Deal, right? That said, here comes 8 small production machines with giant income that you could afford and embark on production in Africa. And please, after this video, I wouldn't want to lay my eyes on any complaints anymore. Thanks for understanding. My name is Elvin Jik and you are watching Africa Today. Before we get into the machines proper, I would love to quickly give you some advantages of these machines, for most of them actually fall under the same category. These machines are suitable for you as a business owner, for they are going to be facilitating your production and enhancing the quality of your product. These machines are also going to be saving you time, thereby bringing about efficiency in your production. These machines are going to be making you spend less, since you are going to be needing little or no workers at all, thereby dropping drastically the cost of your production. So the first machine on our list is the code printing machine. You've probably bought products and saw dates written on them, right? Or most times when you buy a product, you look for the expiry date, right? Yeah, that is often done by what we call a code printing machine. This machine also prints lot numbers or every necessary information you would love to print on your product. It prints on surfaces like papers, plastic, metal, and it comes along with a high accuracy printer. The next one on our list is a semi-automatic labeling machine. This is the machine used to label round bottles, all right? You see those round or cylindric bottles that contain things like olives, mustard, mayonnaise, jams, found in supermarkets. Yes, those are the bottles we are talking about. So basically every container that has a round surface, those labels you see on them are done by the semi-automatic labeling machine. The advantage with the semi-automatic labeling machine is that it quickly and accurately applies labels to different types of bottles, thereby enhancing efficiency. Next, we have the portable electromagnetic machine. This machine is that machine which is used for the sealing of bottles. Yes, it uses a high pressure system that automatically seals bottles. So it hermetically seals bottles accurately and uses electromagnetic induction, which creates the thermal energy needed to seal any caps. It is actually suitable for caps made of various materials and can seal bottles made of different shapes and sizes. It's used on food processing plants and on things like medical products. Next on our list, which is very similar to the previous one, is is the cup sealing machine. Yes, this is a machine that seals cups, those plastic cups or disposable cups that people use to drink fruit juice or coffee. And it is the machine that seals things like yogurt or some small juices that comes in plastic cups for kids. So this machine is actually suitable for a small cafe owner or a fast food restaurant owner. The next machine is a manual jar filling machine. This is actually a liquid filling machine here. This is a machine that is basically used to fill things like cooking oil in cooking bottles or perfumes in perfume bottles and many other things that you could probably think of that are in liquid form. Next on, we have the vacuum forming machine. This is that machine that is used for the production of plastic bottles or glass bottles. Yes. And this business is very lucrative in Africa because a lot of people are coming up with juice brands and other brands that they need these bottles. And if you are producing such bottles in Africa, you're going to be making lots of money because when people are going to be coming up with their brands, they could simply choose you to produce their bottles for them so that they wouldn't go through the stress of producing bottles. They could simply get them from you because this is something that Africans import a lot. If you didn't know, Africans import a lot of bottles, be it plastic bottles or glass bottles. And a lot of Africans are coming up with skincare brands nowadays and they make good use of plastic bottles. And most of them, if not all of them, import those bottles. So if you are producing that in Africa, you are going to be having a ready market. Next on our list is mini excavator. Yes, what we commonly call giant diggers. You heard the word digger. Yes, this is a small like tractor or small caterpillar that actually digs in large scale. Yes, if you import such a machine to Africa, you are going to be making lots of money because a lot of Africans need such instruments for their farms or their construction sites. And such machines are rented per hour and they are so expensive. So the next on our list is the smart oil press machine. This machine comes with a built-in heater and is basically used to press nuts and produce oil. You've probably seen in Africa, especially in trade shows where people sell things like almond oil, sesame seed oil, argan oil, sunflower oil, sesame seed oil, soybean oil, and peanut oil, and you name it. All those oils could be produced using the smart oil press machine. And this machine is equally suitable for home use. This is because there are smaller and smaller capacities that you could actually buy for your home. Now, the next on our list is the mini packaging machine. You got it from the name mini packaging machine. So this is basically a mini machine that you could use to package your products. So if you're interested in knowing more about this packaging machine, there is a case study video in which I gave all the details or everything you need to know about a packaging machine. So if you're interested, please do well to watch this video. You could check in the description box to get the link to the video or in the comments section. Hope by now you've liked this video already and you know what to do. Share this video with your loved ones so that everyone could suit themselves and benefit from it. Now, I hope you've got no excuse not to embark on production in Africa. That said, I beg to take my leave as I'll see you on my next one.